first condition to win victory against worry. And then, right thinking. This involves the heart and the mind. Wrong thinking leads to wrong living. So, God wants us to have true peace by not worrying, because worry essential is a sin. So do not be anxious about anything. That's why never entertain negative thoughts. But once you entertain that, that is a football of the enemy that he will use against us. So in John 14:1, do not let your hearts be troubled. To trust in God, trust also in me. So remember that whenever we have problems, God will always be there at our side. He will win the battle for us, no? So it's just a matter of looking up and seeking His presence. Remember, worry doesn't solve any problem, nor changes anything. But trusting the Lord will change everything, your perspective, your life. So I pray that